Hello, Chef here. So I got something on my mind and I thought I'd share it with you and see if we can draw some solutions, some conclusions, and possibly formulate the right plan to move forward in a more positive produce marketing environment. So here's what I'm talking about. Just got back from the market and got some really good stuff, by the way. Amazing, some of the produce, fruits and vegetables that are out there. Great quality. It's amazing to be here in the USA. The farmers, even the labor, it's good. It's good stuff. So the finished product's what I'm talking about, though. So look at what we